Market Bag. This week we have a special guest. He's the 2023 Prime Minister Youth Awardee for Agriculture, Carlton Bell. Hi Carlton.
Hello.
Are you excited to be here?
Well, I am.
Really? Okay, so we're going to walk around the market and have a little chit chat. So come with us. What got you into farming?
I mean, you see how beautiful these are? I mean, these are what got me into farming. You know, when you plant something and you can watch them grow. Yes, I really love all of that about farming.
You have always been into farming?
Always, from I was a child.
A lot of young people aren't interested in farming. They don't find that it's lucrative. Do you find that it's a lucrative?
It is. However, you have to put in a lot of hard work and dedication into it, but the reward is great.
How do we know if things are locally grown? How do we know if they're, imported?
First thing first, the size. You can know the local one different from the imported one.
So this
the imported are more cleaner than the local.
Okay, so this will be imported.
Right.
Okay, do you have any more shopping tips for us?
I mean, another shopping tip is when you're walking in the market, don't just stop at one store because you might find it cheaper somewhere else. So just walk and shop before you decide to buy.
Alright, so what kind of farming do you do, Carlton?
Alright, so I do mixed farming. So I do hydroponics, I do animal farming, and the regular in-ground crops. So we are plant like pop chow, pepper, and etc.
So you're one of the farmers that would sell to vendors?
Right.
Okay.
So I have pop chow, and I'm going to do pepper and sweet corn in the coming weeks.
Okay, all right. So how are you finding the prices this week?
I watch price on the farm market. Can't get stuff. You need the stuff, you have to just buy them.
Okay. So what you have in your market bag?
I mean, man, I get a hookup and this is gold. Right now, a market me I can go Portmore. And the good old sweet pepper we can get for days. And of course, I can't let the powder season, the brown powder season, you know what I mean? And I have some more stuff, you know what I mean? My cucumber, thyme, so you have to know what time is it. Carrot, give good eyesight, and of course, yeah, I never know how much, but just I got to take them and move.
Okay guys, that's it for Market Bag. Carlton, how did you enjoy it?
I mean, I really enjoyed the day, shopping and all of that, right?
And we saw a decrease in some of the prices.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, and we also had a special guest appearance from
Pretty Boy Fly. Yeah, big up yourself, Pretty Boy Fly.
We never know what to expect from Market Bag. So till next time, guys. Bye.